nestled within the storied enclave of Laurel Canyon, and 2001 stands as a thoughtful evolution of the Hollywood Hills modernist legacy. Originally constructed in the mid-century, the home had suffered through decades of disjointed renovations in the 80s and 90s, eventually becoming a confused expression of passing trends. When Annie Studio took on the project, the mission was clear: strip away the architectural noise and replace it with a cohesive, effortless design that honored its roots while meeting the needs of a modern family. The transformation required a big overhaul, according to co-founder Annie Ritz, yet the street-level presence remains intentionally humble. From the exterior, the home offers only subtle clues of its radical interior shift. The peak of a 16-foot stair shaft and a playful circular cutout for the kitchen garden are the only hints of the new second-story addition. This sensitivity to the neighborhood scale ensures that the residence contributes to the local abundance of modernist architecture without dominating it. Inside, the studio masterfully balanced the delicate challenge of adding a second floor to a one-story mid-century structure. Co-founder Daniel Rabin addressed this by setting the new children's level back from the original footprint, connected by a dramatic, tall volume designed to spark curiosity. The ground floor remains the heart of the home, configured in an L shape where the central living area flows seamlessly into a dining room and bar, eventually leading to a secluded, tranquil primary suite. The material palette is a vibrant homage to the modernist tradition, blending tactile warmth with bold, creative accents. Terrazzo, oak, and linoleum provide a grounded foundation, while flashes of brass, red lacquer, and Rojo Alicante marble inject a sense of inspiration and playfulness. Finished with cream-painted walls featuring a soft yellow undertone, the home radiates the warmth that has become a hallmark of Annie Studio's work, resulting in a space that feels both historic and entirely new.